Muy bien. Ya viene. Antes de la colección de nuestro propietario.
President, how are you?
How are you?
Pleased to meet you. It's very kind of you receiving me just to get to know you.
Huge privilege.
President Thomas Ferrari, the ambassador in Rome.
My principal advisor.
Please.
It seems to be that we share quite a common ground in terms of having so many Slovenians, although I didn't recognize your ambassador, was the second in command in the embassy in Buenos Aires.
Mr. Minister, Ambassador, it is much more than just a nice opportunity. It's a privilege to meet you. I have best memories meeting your president recently in your beautiful capital city.
Well, it's very important that we keep touch. It's very important that we take every opportunity. You are reputed.
Aparte con nacido y todo, lo que te gusta mucho.
Zelo veseli. Vi ste odličen razlog, da človek pride v Rim. Tak, čudovit, plemenit razlog. Sem prav vesel. Cel mesec sem se volil.
A res?
Ja, prav res.
In še skupaj z našim prijateljem Princem.
Vas največji posebej.
To se vam zahvaljujem.
Ker z vsemi, ki zdaj govorimo v zadnjem času, govorimo samo o problemih. Ne prijete vize in čudovitih dogodkov, ki kaže mogoče na kakšno rešitev. Ne da bi rešil svet, da bi to reši eno življenje rešil. Čudovito.
In dobro, ko se daje ena pozornost rešitvam, je tudi ustvarja upanje.
Tako.
V ljudeh, v marsikomu ustvarja upanje. In mi smo v tem samo povezani, ker...
Njegovega poslanstva.
Smo začeli se malo prej.
Yeah, because he's saying that like I'm suffering here in Rome. I'm actually suffering with you.
No, to daje
Tudi so zadoščeni.
Bez doma,
So spodbudo tudi.
Spodbudo in...
Pa ponos. Okay.
It was not scheduled to run. No, it was not scheduled to run. No, yeah, but the police said but our president
Head of office.
we should be aware about that.
Okay.
No, mais c'est pas.